In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a WhatsApp message to your email. Let's start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where you can see your conversation list. From here, tap on the chat that contains the message you want to send to your email. This could be an individual chat or a group chat. The process is the same. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll to find the exact message or messages you want to forward. When you've found it, press and hold on that message. After a second, you'll see it get highlighted, and a set of icons or options will appear along the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. At this point, look for the option that says Forward or shows a small arrow pointing to the right. Tap that. If you want to include more than one message, you can usually tap additional messages while you're in this selection mode, and they'll all be forwarded together in one email. After you tap Forward, WhatsApp will show you a list of contacts and apps you can send this message to. Here, you're not going to pick another WhatsApp contact. Instead, look for your email app, such as Gmail, Outlook, or your default mail application. If you don't see it right away, it might be under a Share or More option. Tap your email app. WhatsApp will now open a new email draft with the selected message or messages automatically pasted into the body of the email. Take a moment to check that everything you wanted to include is there. You can also add your own notes or context above or below the forwarded message if you like, so the person receiving the email understands what they're looking at. Next, go to the To field and type the email address you want to send this to. This could be your own email if you're just saving the message for later, or someone else's if you're sharing it with another person. You can also change the subject line to something descriptive, like Forwarded WhatsApp message, or the topic of the conversation. When everything looks good, simply tap Send in your email app. The WhatsApp message has now been forwarded to your email, and you'll be able to view it, search for it, or store it just like any other email message.